Now we are going to learn about preparation of food and preservation of food. We eat some food as raw and some food as cooked. Which type of food we eat as raw? Fruits and some types of vegetables we eat as raw. Before eating them, we must wash them properly to remove the dust and microorganisms present on that, germs present on that. And some types of food we eat as cooked. Why should we cook? Why should we eat some food as cooked? What is the use of that cooking? If you cook the food, cooking makes the food very soft, tasty and easily digestible. And this cooking kills the germs present in it. That's why some tough food we cook, then we eat. Here are the some types of cooking: boiling, frying, roasting, steaming, fermentation and baking. Boiling, we all know that rice we cook by boiling. In this boiling method, we add water to the food, then we cook it. Rice and potatoes are cooked by boiling method. Next one, frying. In this method, we cook the food in the oil. So which type of food we prepare in frying? Puris and vada. Next, roasting. Roasting also it is like frying, but in this we add little bit of oil. In this we prepare brinjal and potato, lady's finger, so many types of vegetables are cooked by roasting. Steam. By this method we cook idli. We prepare idli by steaming. In this the flour cooks by steam. Next one, fermentation. In this method we prepare the curd. Fermentation, we add a little bit of bacteria to that means buttermilk to the milk. So after 12 hours the milk becomes into the curd. That process is called fermentation. Next, baking. By baking we cook biscuit. In this method we heat the food in a closed container, that is baking. These are the some types of cooking: boiling, frying, roasting, steaming, fermentation and baking. And preservation of food. What is preservation? What is meant by preservation? So preservation is a storing of food without spoiling it. Preservation is a storing of food without spoiling it. So why should we preserve the food? Why we are preserving the food? We are preserving the food to prevent spoiling. To prevent spoiling, we preserve the food and to reduce the wastage of our food. Food is very valuable and limited. We should not waste our food. So for that we preserve the food and we can use it for later purpose. To get income by exporting. We get income by exporting the preserved food. So that's why we preserve the food. Here are some types of the preservations. Freezing, salting, drying, canning, pickling, jellying and smoking. Freezing. In this method of preservation, we put the food in very low temperature. That means at home we have the refrigerators. So vegetables and any milk and any meat we keep in fridge for storing purposes. Then we can avoid the spoilage of vegetables and meat and milk and so on and the food materials. So which type of food we preserve in this method? Which type of food we preserve? Vegetables and ice cream, some types of drinks and meat we can preserve by using freezing method. Salting. What is meant by salting? In this method we add salt to the food items. So which type of food items are stored by using the salting method? Any guesses? Fishes, meat will be stored by using this salt. And next method is drying. In this method, we expose the food materials to the sun. So by this drying, we can store the fish, meat and nuts. We can preserve by using this method. Next, canning. In this method, we can preserve the food by keeping them in airtight containers. Next, pickling. Pickling is the method in which we add oil, turmeric powder to the salt to the food items. And this canning and pickling help the food to store for longer period. Jellying. So jelly. In this method, we add sugar syrup to the food items. So which type of food items are stored in this method? Some types of fruits and vegetables are stored in this method. Smoking. In this method, the food items exposed to the smoke to remove the water present in it. So by smoking, we preserve the fish and meat. These are the some types of preservation methods: freezing, salting, drying, canning, pickling, jellying and smoking. Let us recall about these topics. Why should we cook the food? Why should we cook the food? What is the use of the cooking? Cooking makes the food soft, tasty and easily digestible, and it kills the germs present in it. So in which method of cooking we prepare the curd? In which method of cooking we prepare the curd? Yes, fermentation. Name two examples for the boiling method. By boiling, which type of food we prepare? Yes, rice and potato. So what is the preservation? What is meant by preservation? The process of storing food without spoiling is called preservation. Why should we preserve the food? Why should we preserve the food? To prevent the spoiling, to reduce the wastage of food and to get income by exporting. Name any 4 types of preservation methods. Name any 4 types of preservation methods. Freezing, salting, drying and canning. By using salting method, which type of food we preserve? By using salting method, which type of food we preserve? Fish and meat. By drying, which type of food we prepare? Fishes, meat and some types of fruits. Smoking. By using smoking, which type of food we preserve? Fish. Are you clear? Thank you.